air-cooled, split central air conditioning units are a reliable solution for both residential and industrial cooling. These systems feature an outdoor condenser and indoor evaporator, offering flexible installation. They excel in high-temperature environments, operating efficiently up to 60°C, making them ideal for regions with extreme climates. With a focus on energy efficiency, these units require no water resources, making them more sustainable. They are easy to install and maintain, with quiet indoor operation, making them suitable for offices, hotels, and industrial facilities alike.